Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on XRP. Before we begin, guys, this is your last chance to join our Telegram group for free because in just a few days, it's going paid. But if you join now, you will lock in lifetime access for free. This is one of the fastest growing crypto communities on YouTube where you can scan the market daily. There are thousands and thousands of altcoins out there. So being able to see what altcoins other top traders are watching every single day is very, very important. So hit the link in the description below, join now, and become part of our community. Okay, so this is the chart. We are looking at XRP over USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here, back in January of 2025, XRP pumped all the way up to $3.40. Then traders and investors took profits, and the price action pulled back, started downtrending, moving inside this pattern that I have here on the chart. We have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, had a bounce here, another bounce here with a huge fake out. The buyers stepped in and pushed the price action back inside the pattern. Another bounce here multiple times, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. We got rejected here multiple times, another rejection, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. And this can be considered to be a rejection even though it's not touching perfectly. So remember that as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. We haven't seen a breakout yet. Therefore, I assume that for the time being, the price action is going to move lower. It's going to pull back. So if the price action continues lower, I am watching for a bounce at this key level of support that's located at $1.95. If the price action breaks below the support, I am watching for a bounce at this lower support trend line. Since we had a bounce here, 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 and here, we might see another bounce here if the price action experiences a deep pullback all the way down here, right? It's very, very possible. Now, you might not want to open a long position right here on a bounce or on a bounce on this support trend line. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, what I would do is I would let the price action to do its thing while moving inside the pattern, and then I would wait for a confirmed breakout with a lot of volume. So I can buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation, move to the upside so I can take at least some profits when the price action hits one of these targets that I have here on the chart. This is a falling wedge pattern, guys, and therefore it has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So I expect XRP to break above this key resistance trend line sooner or later. It might happen in the coming hours, maybe tomorrow, or it might take some more time. Nobody knows. Nobody can predict the future. We are not here to predict. We are here to react to what the market is doing. Those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider buying on a bounce on this key level of support or on a bounce if the price action pulls back all the way down to this support trend line. But if you're a beginner, I do not suggest doing that. It's always safer to buy the breakout and even safer to buy the retest. But remember, the retest doesn't always happen. Another very safe way to trade this, guys, is to wait for a breakout and then wait for the price action to break above this horizontal resistance level that's located at $2.45. So for those of you who want to trade this in an even more safe manner, wait for a breakout above the falling wedge and at the same time a breakout above this horizontal resistance. Buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation move to the upside. We only need an 11% move from the current price levels in order to get to this horizontal resistance and test it out, right? So the next target that I have here on the chart is located at $2.64. After the breakout, if the breakout happens somewhere around here, for example, that's a 13% move. From the current price levels, a measured move to this second target, that's a 19% move. Next target is located at $2.94. That's a 32% move from the current price levels. Next target, $3.20. 44% move from the current price levels. Next target, $3.37. That's over a 51% move. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located all the way up to $3.93. And that's a measured move of 76% from the current price levels. For those of you who are buying the breakout, the move is going to be a little bit smaller than this. So this last target, that's going to be approximately a 69 to 70% move, depending on where you start the move. But remember that XRP is a large cap. its market cap is well into the billions already, so it needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to pull a 69 to 70% move, guys. It's not going to happen easily. And we are looking at the daily chart, so it might take some time for it to happen. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for XRP for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish in the long term? I really want to know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. That's all I had for you today. Always make sure that you set up a stop loss when you buy breakouts, guys. This is the best way to manage your risk, among other ways, but always set up a stop loss. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Trade carefully.